Hey, what's up, guys? I've heard a lot of people saying that Chinese is the most difficult language in the world and it's near impossible to learn it unless you come from countries like Korea, Vietnam. That's not true. That's not true. If you want to do something new, you need to look for information and advice from people who excel and do better in the field that you want to get in. Today I'm gonna share with you some tips. If you follow them, you're gonna learn Chinese quickly and speak it fluently in no more than 5 months. Believe me, coming up. 继续多么美好的一天，充满爱、热情、教育、感恩、power，发出胜利的欢呼声。Yeah! I promise you guys to share with you tips that can help you learn Chinese quickly and speak Chinese fluently in no more than 5 months. Hey there! Tip number 1, find your why. Why do you want to learn Chinese? Guys, this is the first thing that you need to do if you really want to pick up Chinese. There is a lot of pretty good reason that can push you learn Chinese. Let's take an example. As we all know, guys, nowadays China is the second largest economy in the world, making Chinese this language for business. You want to come to China, do business with Chinese people, industries or factories. That's a good reason for you to learn Chinese. Or you want to do business with Chinese people in your country, or do cross deals with people who speak Chinese language, maybe people like me. 开玩笑. So that's a good reason for you to pick up Chinese. Maybe you find Chinese as a language that can help your business grow up. So why can't you learn it? That's a good reason. The second example is maybe you want to come to China. That's especially for students. You want to come to China for further studies. You want a college degree, you want a master's degree or PhD. China has a lot of good universities, so learning Chinese for further studies can be a good reason, can be your why. The other example is maybe you want to travel to China, as China is a home for good places and wonders, places like Great Wall, Forbidden City, and the other places. And China has good cities that anyone can wish to come to travel to. Cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Lanzhou, my favorite city. Yeah, you can learn Chinese for you to travel to China. You need to know how to say hi, like 你好，这所在哪儿，去到使馆怎么走。You need to know such simple phrases. So traveling can be your why to pick up Chinese. So guys, you need to know your why, because your why is going to push you forward whenever you feel like giving up and whenever you feel overwhelmed. So you need to know your why. Take your time, sit down, know your why, write it down, and every time check it out. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, start small. Guys, if I say start small, I mean it. Don't try to overload yourself with a lot of stuffs. Like you say, today I'm gonna memorize a lot of 100 words, vocabularies, Chinese vocabularies. I'm gonna memorize 100 Chinese characters with Chinese. That can't work. I say it can't work. You need to resolve yourself, taking small, simple steps at a time. Let's say you say today I'm gonna memorize, every day I'm gonna memorize 10 vocabularies and practice 10 Chinese characters. That's good. That is simple things, simple stuff that you can accomplish in one day. So don't say you're going to do a lot of stuff. Overloading yourself is going to you're gonna easily quit and you're gonna easily give up, and that's not good with learning Chinese. Your goal is to learn Chinese and speak it fluently. So you need to avoid everything that is going to push you to give up, to push you to quit. Tip number 3, create your language environment. For you to become fluent in Chinese, you need Good environment. If I say environment, these are people who speaks Chinese or Chinese people around that you can make friends with, or other occasions that can help you improve your Chinese speaking skills. If you're not in China, sometimes it's hard to find a good environment for you to practice your Chinese, but you can consider joining Confucius Institute. Nowadays, not a lot of countries there is this institute of Chinese that teach people Chinese language. So you can consider joining that institute and improve your language skills. If you're in China, that's a good chance. But being in China doesn't mean you have to you you will know Chinese, because we see a lot of people quitting China, unable to speak Chinese fluently or don't know anything about Chinese. So having a good environment is a crucial thing. If you're in China, consider joining people with whom you share common values and beliefs, people that you have common grounds. Let's say maybe you like music. Yeah, you will find people who like music. If they like music, you will share a lot, have fun, share a lot of experience, and your language will improve. 记不记我的中文不好？记不记，记不记？我不记得你说什么。Yeah, like that. Maybe you like football, you like basketball. If you hang out with people who have the same hobby like you, that's good. They will help you and you feel happy being with them, and your language skills will improve, I'm telling you. So find a good environment wherever you are. Try to find it. It will help you. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4, take advantage of the internet. Guys, thank God for the internet. Nowadays, you can do whatever you want. You can learn whatever you want with your phone in hand. There's a lot of materials in Google that can help you acquire Chinese, that can help you improve your Chinese language. There's a lot of good teachers, good Chinese teachers on YouTube that can help you, that you can follow their channels and help you improve your Chinese language skills. And there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube. I'm telling you, if you want to pick up Chinese, just go to YouTube. Greek learning Chinese. You will find a lot of stuff there. So take advantage of that. There are a lot of phone applications and computer applications that can do the work, that can help you acquire Chinese. Let's say like Hello Talk. On Hello Talk, there are people who speak Chinese and want to learn English. If you want to learn Chinese, you can join those people. You help them learn English and they help you learn Chinese. That's 互相帮助, help each other. So you can take advantage of the internet. Don't use internet wasting time. Instead, use internet learning some new skills, in this case Chinese language. So guys, these are 4 tips that can help you learn Chinese quickly and can help you speak Chinese fluently in no more than 5 months. Guys, if you find this video helpful, you can share to your friend who want to learn Chinese, and consider subscribing. See you in the next video. 再见，再见，再见。